Hello and welcome back, traders. Today is August 19th, 2025, and it's time for another exciting trading recap with the BreakoutsSniperBOT. As always, I want to share with you the full transparency of how the day went, the ups and downs, the lessons learned, and of course the wins we secured. Today was an absolutely incredible day, one that reminded us all why automation, discipline, and sticking to proven strategies are the future of trading. So let's dive straight into the numbers. Today we made about $2,400 in profits, trading across 3 different markets, all handled fully automated by the BreakoutsSniperBOT. That's right, 3 markets, hands-free, and the bot executed everything exactly as designed. But before I talk more about today's victory, I want to rewind just a little bit and cover yesterday, because yesterday wasn't one of those green days. Yesterday, we took about a $1,600 red P&L hit. And the reason for that was very clear. It was news day, and we've said this many times. We don't like trading during news events or on days when big economic data is released. News can whip the markets in directions nobody can predict, and yes, it's the one environment we always recommend avoiding. But like all traders, sometimes curiosity or stubbornness creeps in. And yesterday we decided to trade anyway, despite knowing the risks. And guess what? The market reminded us why we should always respect the rules. We ended up taking that $1,600 loss. But we didn't hide from it. We didn't make excuses. We posted the screenshots of those trades right in our Discord chat room, with no hesitation. Transparency always wins because losses are part of trading. What matters is how you manage them, recover from them, and move forward. And that brings us to today, recovery mode, and not just recovery, but growth. With the BreakoutsSniperBOT, the beauty is that one setup can literally last you a lifetime if you just stick to the rules and avoid the traps like trading through news. Today, we hit our daily goals with precision. Our target is set at $500 per market. And with 3 markets running, that's a $1,500 base goal. We didn't just hit that, we exceeded it. Why? Because on the RTY market, we decided to turn on the extra profit mode on the fly, since we noticed strong market momentum. That adjustment paid off, giving us an extra $300 above the daily goal on RTY alone. That kind of flexibility, making adjustments without breaking discipline, is why this program works so well. And I should also mention something that many people forget. Aside from today's trading session, we also had profits roll in yesterday evening, around 6 p.m. trading, even after the red day. That session gave us an additional $600 in profit. And of course, we posted that in the Discord chat as well. So if you look at the full picture between yesterday evening and today, the recovery wasn't just complete. It pushed us ahead into new profit territory. This is exactly what makes the BreakoutsSniperBOT so powerful. It's not about chasing one massive win, it's about consistency, stacking smaller wins, hitting your daily goals, and avoiding the days that are stacked against you like news days. That's it. Simple, powerful, and repeatable. Now let's talk about the bigger picture. Almost everyone in the world hates their daily job. People feel trapped in the so-called matrix, stuck working 9 to 5, trading their precious time for money that barely covers the bills. What we've built here with the BreakoutsSniperBOT is a real solution for anyone who wants to break free from that cycle. The best part is, you don't even need to risk your own hard-earned money. You can trade using funded accounts like Apex Funding, and I'll leave the link in the description below, along with the link to the BreakoutsSniperBOT itself. We even help you with the full setup of the program, so you're not alone at any stage. Now, let's imagine for a second, making $500 a day in about 30 minutes of trading. Not $2,400 like today, but just $500. Think about how that would change your life. Imagine waking up running your trading session from 9:30 to 10 a.m., hitting your daily goal, and then having the entire rest of the day free. No boss, no commute, no sitting in an office watching the clock. Just freedom. That's what automation makes possible. And let me tell you the biggest truth in trading. The only reason most traders lose money is because they don't have the right tools. They overtrade, and they let greed take over. That's it. Those are the three killers: bad tools, overtrading, and greed. What we've built with BreakoutsSniperBOT eliminates those problems completely. It removes emotion, it prevents overtrading, and it takes only the high probability trades. That's why I say this setup is one you can use for life. It doesn't need to be complicated. You don't need 100 different indicators. You don't need to stare at charts for hours. All you need is the right system and the discipline to stick with it. And another thing, yes, you can trade multiple markets at the same time. The bot doesn't care if you're watching one chart or 10 charts. It handles them all without stress, without second guessing, and without breaking rules. That's the true power of automation. So today was a shining example of how consistency pays off. We took the hit yesterday, we came back stronger today, and we walked away with $2,400 in profits across 3 markets. That's the kind of story that keeps repeating itself when you stick with the plan. And before we wrap this up, I just want to say thank you for being part of this journey. If you're serious about changing your life, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, if you're tired of trading your hours for someone else's dream, then take a look at what we've built. This is not just about making money, it's about reclaiming your time, your freedom, and your life. That's it for today's recap. Don't forget, the links for the BreakoutsSniperBOT and Apex funding are in the description below, along with our Discord community where we post daily screenshots and live updates. Come join us, see everything firsthand, and be part of the future of trading. If you enjoyed today's recap, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming updates. We're here every day sharing the journey, the wins, the lessons, and the future of trading. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with another trading recap. Until then, trade smart, stay disciplined, and avoid the news days. BreakoutsSniperBOT. One setup for life.